Hi guys, and welcome to day 10. I delivered something very special to you on day 5, which was a 5-minute plank. Today, we have a 5-minute side plank. Meet me in high plank in 3, 2, 1. 5 minutes has started. Let's lower to the left forearm. Scissor the feet, so your right foot goes in front of your left foot, okay? Don't worry, we're not just doing 5 minutes on the left, we're gonna be on both. Extend your top arm up. Now you're gonna thread this top arm under, then you're gonna inhale, reach it back up, okay? Thread it under, and then reach it back up. You can do that 8 more times. 8. Good, reach. 7. Reach. 6. Please don't go any faster than me. I want this to have really nice control. Good. 5. Extend. 4. Extend. 3. Good. Last 2. 1 more rep right here. And 1. Took you a long time. That's what we want. Big press, high plank, all the way up. Now lower to your right forearm, aka I'm going to turn away from you. Scissor your feet, left foot in front of right. Raise your left arm up. Thread it. 10. Reach. 9. Reach. Really try to get that arm all the way through. 7. Or that was 8. Now we're at 7. Good. 6. 5. Thread it. Good job. 4. High plank in 3. Nice work. 2. 1 more rep. 1. Reach up. Ready, set, high plank, push. All right, side plank, drop both heels to the left. Hold it. 3. Feel your left obliques fire, okay? Diagonal muscles running through your core. Inhale, center. Feet go right. Drop both of your heels. 4. 3, 2, back to center. Now drop your feet to the left. Raise your right arm up. Good. Maybe stack your feet. Drop your left knee if you need to. We're gonna go up and down. 9, 8, 7. Lower your left knee. You can still lift your leg if you need to that way. Final 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. Good. Drop your feet to the right. So I'm turning away from you. Left arm comes up. Lower the right knee if you need to or stack. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7. You're almost done. Let's do this. Come on. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High plank, hold. Good. Left forearm down. Back to the beginning. Right arm rises. Dip. 10, 9, 8. You've done these before. 7. These are faster. 6, 5, 4. Almost to that minute remaining. 1. Good. High plank, right? Left. Now, lower the right. Pivot. Ready, set, reach, dip. 10, 9, 8. Side plank, you love it. Come on. 6, 5, 4. High plank in 3, 2, 1. Center hold. Woo! Drop your feet left. Raise your right arm up. Option, stay or left knee to chest. 5, 4, hold it. 3, 2, glide it back. Center, feet go to the right. Option, hold it or right knee to chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, high plank, forearms down. Forearm plank, hold it. We go right, We go left. We go right. We go left. Good. We go right one final time together. Left one final time together. Boom. That is your 5 minutes. And woo, we burned up those obliques. Nice job, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.